What's up, y'all? This is gonna be my unboxing of the Jordan 4 Black Cats. I picked these up a little while ago. It's a simple shoe, all black. It's honestly nothing much to get into, but I just want to go ahead and give y'all a good look at them in case you're thinking of going out and picking them up yourselves, or you're getting them off of GOAT, StockX, whatever, paying a little bit of extra cash for retail. Just want to give you a good look at what you're gonna be getting. So, simple, like I said, here's the box. Jordan symbol on the front. Side. Basic box, nothing special. And taking off the top, you got that like tissue paper, like material we've been getting lately with all of them. And then you got the shoe. I watched other videos and people say they don't got that ashiness to them, but they do. They do. Like when I got my pair, that was the first thing I noticed. But here you go, giving you a quick look. You got your outside clean black look. It's an all black shoe, so you can't go wrong. You can wear it with anything and everything. You got that blacked out clear middle right there. White Jumpman on the bottom. And yeah, you do got this suede material. It's not bad. I would say spray crepe on it. I live in the Seattle area, so I have to do that to all my shoes, but these I wouldn't suggest. You get all those white speckles on it and everything. But you got the tongue right here with the Jordan Flight. A thicker tongue than the originals that came out back in, I believe it was 2006. Seems like a thicker shoe from what I remember. Seems like a thicker shoe all around from the 2006 version. But yeah, just giving you a quick run around. White Jumpman on the bottom. I'm taking it toward the back. You don't got that Nike Air. So, but it's a Jordan 4 Black Cat. You got the Jordan Instead tab on the back. But yeah, it's a quick look. Like I say, a simple shoe, simple black shoe you can wear with anything. Going to the grocery store, throw these on. You going out, throw them on. Taking your old lady to the theater and movies. As well, these just an everyday shoe you can wear. Glad I can add them to the collection.